subtraction of decimals. So as we have learned how to add the decimals in the previous exercise, same formula we have to follow here also. First one is line up the decimal points, okay, and adjust, drag that decimal point straight down, okay, like this, and the values also. For example, 8.97 minus 2.82, 8.97 exactly down to here 2.82. Now you can subtract as usual. 7 minus 2 is 5, 9 minus 8 is 1, 8 minus 2 is 6, and we have to put the decimal here. So the value is 6.15. Take one more example. 13.8 minus 1.27. Formulate like this. Line up the decimal points, pad with zeros and subtract. 13.8, 13.80. We can rewrite this as 13.80 and 1.27. Now we can subtract as usual. 0 minus 7 is 3, 8 minus 2 is 5 because we have 1 here, and 13.1, sorry, 13 minus 1 is equals to 12. So the value is 12.53. Okay, observe carefully. Very similar to that of addition of decimals. Observe this picture carefully. 402.10 minus 243.86. Take the borrow and do the subtraction as usual. Ten minus 6 is equals to 4, like that. 10, okay. Check out as usual our regular subtraction. Next, we will go for exercise 8.6. First problem, subtract 18.25 from 20.75. See, the bigger value is 20.75. 18.25 from 20.75. 20.75 put here. Next, 18.25. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 2, 5. And 0. That means this is, we have to borrow 10. Okay. 10 minus 8 is equals to 2. Okay. 2 minus 1 is equals to 0. So this value is 2.50. Okay. Next problem, 202.54 from 250. So put 250 here, 250.00, making this whole number as decimal, and 202.54. Just do the subtraction as usual. Take the borrow, 10 minus 4, 6. Here, 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 2, 7. Okay, 4 minus 0, 4, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So the value is 47.46. Okay. Next, 5.36 from 8.40. See here 8.40 and put exactly down 5.36. Do the subtraction as usual. 10 minus 6 is equals to 4. 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. And 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. That means the value is, the resultant value is 3.04. Next problem, 2.051 kilometers from 5.206 kilometers. 5.206 minus 2.051. 6 minus 1 is 5. 10 minus 5, taking the 10 as borrow, 10 minus 5 as 5, and 1 minus 0 is 1, 5 minus 2 is 3. So the resultant value is 3.155, 3.155. Next, 0.314 kg from 2.107 kg. Take this one, 2.107 minus 0.314. 7 minus 4 is 3. 10 minus 10 we have taken as borrow. 10 minus 1 is 9. Here 10 again we have taken 10 as borrow. 10 minus 3 is 7. Okay. And 2 minus 0 is 1. So the resultant value is 1.793. Second problem, find the value of 9.756 minus 6.28. Subtract 9.756 minus 6.250. 6 minus 0, 6. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 2, 5. 9 minus 6, 3. So direct subtraction 3.506. No problem at all. Next one is 21.05 minus 15.27. We have 21.05 minus 15.27. That means direct subtraction again 21.05 minus 15.27. We have taken 10 as borrow. 15 minus 7 is 8. Okay. Here 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay. 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, that means because we have 1, so 11. 11 minus, okay, 10 minus 5 is 5. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So the result is 5.78. Next problem. 18.5 minus 6.79. See, we can write 18.5 as 18.50 and as usual 6.79. Okay, 0 here, so we have taken 10 as borrow. 10 minus 9, 1. Next, 14 minus 7, 7. Next, 17 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So the result is 11.71. Next one, 11.6 minus 9.847. Okay, so we will rewrite this 11.6 as 11.600 and 9.847 as usual. Now we have to go for the subtraction as usual. Since it is 0, we have taken 10 as borrow. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 4, 5. 15 minus 8, 7. And here 11 has become 10. 10 minus 9, it is 1. So the value is 1.753. Okay. Question number 3. Raju bought a book for 35.65 rupees. He gave 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. How much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? Cost of the book is 35.65. Money paid by Raju to the shopkeeper is 50 rupees. So what we have to do? We have to go for the subtraction. 50 minus 35.65 is equals to 14.35. 50 can be written as 50.00 and 35.65. Okay. So the resultant is 14.35. See the result. Question number 4. Rani had rupees 18.50. She bought one ice cream for 11.75. How much money does she have now? Rani had rupees 18.50. She bought ice cream for 11.75. Therefore, the money left with Rani is equals to 18.50 minus 11.75. That means 18.50 minus 11.75 is, if you can subtract, we get 6.75. This is the money left with Rani, rupees 6.75. Question number 5. Tina had 20 meters 5 centimeters long cloth. She cuts 4 meters 50 centimeters length of cloth from this for making a curtain. Okay. How much cloth it is left with hair? See, length of the cloth had by Tina is equals to 20 meters 5 centimeters. If we can convert this as into meters for unity, 20.05 meters. Okay. Next, length of cloth cut by her is equals to 4 meters 50 centimeters, that is 4.5 meters. Okay, or we can call it as 4.50 meters. Therefore, the length of cloth left with her is equals to 20.05 minus 4.5. 20.05 minus 4.5 or else 4.50. As usual subtraction, we get the result as 15.55. Okay. Question number 6. Namita travels 20 kilometers 50 meters every day. Out of this, she travels 10 kilometers 200 meters by bus and rest by auto. How much distance does she travel by auto? We will see. The distance traveled by Namita daily is equals to 20 kilometers 50 meters, or if we can convert this as kilometers, it is 20.050 kilometers. Students, you know how to convert the meters into kilometers. The distance traveled by her by bus is equals to 10 kilometers 200 meters, or we can convert it as 10.200 kilometers. Therefore, the distance traveled by her by auto is equals to 20.050 minus 10.200 kilometers. Twenty point zero five zero minus 10.200. If you can make direct subtraction, you get the value 9.850. Problem number 7. Aakash bought vegetables weighing 10 kgs. Out of this, 3 kgs 500 grams is onions, 2 kgs 75 grams is tomatoes, and rest is potatoes. What is the weight of potatoes? We will see. Weight of vegetables, total weight of vegetables bought by Aakash is 10 kgs. Okay. weight of onions bought by him is equals to 3 kgs 500 grams. That means 3.5 kgs. And weight of tomatoes bought by him is equals to 2 kgs 75 grams. That means 2.075 kgs. 75 grams can be converted into 0.075 kgs. We know the conversion of grams into kgs. And to get the weight of potatoes, we have to subtract the weight of the total vegetables minus weight of onions plus weight of tomatoes. That means 10.0000 minus 3.500 plus 2.75. So what we have to do? We have to add first these two values. We get 5.575. Okay, and we have to subtract this value from 10.000, which is the result 4.425 kgs. With this we have completed the chapter number 8. Thank you.